So we have here the Chess Armory chess set. It's a magnetic wooden chess set. If you look from the inside, each one of the pieces has its own place that you can put it right in there so they're not flying around inside and losing some of the pieces. You can store them very carefully and they will stay safe in there and they will last forever that way. So I just set it up a little bit. I've actually never played chess. I don't know how to play chess. Somebody did try to teach me once, and I probably try to learn now as an adult. Chess Armory is offering free classes for that come with the board when you get the board, so that's awesome. What I'm thinking is my son really does want to learn, so what I'm thinking is have him sign up for the class, and I'll sit like right aside him a little bit to kind of pick up some tips. But this is a great piece. This is all wooden. The pieces are also wooden over here. I set them up the best way I know how. Sorry guys if it's not right, don't judge me on it. So this is the wooden piece here. It is magnetic from the bottom, so when you put it on here, it's gonna stick right onto the board over here. The board is wood with magnetic capabilities from the inside. It has two beautiful here latches that can latch up and close it. Once you put it away, it's going to be safe with everything. This is a great set. Loving this set, and it is very beautiful. I highly recommend it, and don't forget to sign up for the classes.